How do you measure the effectiveness of your marketing message? Do you know which messages are not resonating with your clients and those that are? Do you have any understanding which tactics are going underutilized by your sales team? We call the understanding of these topics message intelligence, and it's something many organizations have trouble identifying. Blue Sail can help. Our tools can reveal the selling techniques of your top salespeople and provide direction for your entire team. You can gain valuable insight on where to adjust your tactics and why. We can fine-tune your message, align your sales force, measure the overall effectiveness of message delivery. Blue Sail Message Intelligence. Imagine the results you could see when a properly aligned message is heard. Want to learn more?